Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Nigeria party jollof rice. Who say you have to go to a Nigeria party before you can eat jollof rice? Okay, if you want to see how I made this amazing pot of goodness, keep on watching. Over here we have the rice, which is the main ingredients: 4 fresh tomato, bell pepper, spices, scotch bonnet, onions, tomato paste, Maggi cube, meat stock, vegetable oil, and salt to taste. I'm going to start by blending the onions, the scotch bonnet, the red bell pepper, and the tomatoes together. Add your vegetable oil. So now you add the onions and the bay leaf to the oil. Now you can add your tomato paste. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't know my camera wasn't filming, so I did not record that part, but I added my tomato paste already. So I'm going to be adding curry powder, paprika powder, thyme, and also my 2 seasoning cubes. I'm adding my tomato mix or my pepper mix. My tomato, onions, scotch bonnet, and red bell pepper that I blended together. You just have to stir everything together, and then you allow it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. At this stage, I'm going to be adding my meat stock. It's not my meat though. I mean the stock from the meat that I'm using for this recipe. I'm actually using goat meat, okay? I made this jollof rice the same day I made my asu. In case you've not seen that video, go and check it out. So at this stage, the stew is ready, and I'm just removing some stew from the pot because I don't want my rice to burn too fast. You know, when you have too much sauce in your pot or too much stew in your pot, it's going to make your rice burn so fast. So it's better you have the sauce or the stew on top of the rice, if that makes any sense. So I'm just adding my rice. I already washed this rice with warm water. So I did not parboil it, I just washed it with warm water. So add enough water at the same level of the rice just to cover the rice. You don't want too much water. So at this stage, you have to cover your rice and allow it to cook. After allowing the rice to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, now I'm going to be adding the stew that I removed before. This is so important, guys. If not, your rice is going to get burnt, and most of your sauce is going to get burnt with the rice. I'm just adding salt to the rice now. Yeah, look at that. At this stage, our Nigeria jollof rice is ready. So I'm just adding some vegetables. This is yellow bell pepper and also green onions, just to garnish the rice a little bit. But you can decide to leave it like that. It's already perfect. But sometimes I just like to add vegetables just to spice it up a little bit. Sometimes carrots, sometimes sweet corn. And I tell you guys, it sure makes a big difference. And this one was so delicious. So delicious. So now I'm just covering it for the final cooking because we need the heat to cook the rice. Wow, look at that. Wow, this was so delicious, guys. It does not just look good, it also tastes good. So at this stage, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe, guys. Support your girl. Please subscribe to my channel. Yes, so our rice is ready. Our delicious Nigeria party jollof rice is ready. You can see over there I'm frying some plantain because rice and plantain are best of friends. In Nigeria we call it dodo. You know, dodo and rice. They are perfect friends.